I can't figure this out. I need help. Phoebe, I need help.
I can't help you. I'm really confused too. You should go ask the professor in office hours.
Do you want better grades? There's a great thing for that. Office hours. If the definition of office hours is unknown, the definition is when professors and teaching assistants schedule time outside of class to meet with students. These are called office hours. This definition comes from Cornell University. Office hours are extremely beneficial. They will improve grades and bonds with your professors. And in this video essay, I will explain the process of how to find where your office hours are and how to make office hours as beneficial as possible. Office hours may be a little tricky to find, but I'm going to explain how to find them. When looking through your Brightspace, you're going to need to find the square that says syllabus, and then you'll be on your professor's syllabus. In this example that is shown, you can clearly see the professor's contact information, and right next to that is their office hours and where they are. Truman's campus might be a little difficult to understand if you're new here. There are 8 academic buildings, and the names of all 8 of them are Barnett Hall, Health Science Building, Pershing Hall, Magruder Hall, Violet Hall, Ophelia Parish, Baldwin Hall, and McLean Hall. Each of these buildings you could be attending classes in, and a professor may have an office there. For an example, we are here. Let's say your professor's in Violet Hall. This route that I've made is the best way to make your way there. You then get into the building. How do I find their room, you may ask? For me, at first, this was a little tricky, and I'm glad to explain it to you. When you first walk into the buildings, you will most likely see a map of the building. If not, look for it. In this example I'm showing, an image of Ophelia Parish is mapped. They have a key at the bottom that says where you can find AED, ADA, emergency pickup, fire extinguishers, storm shelters, exits, elevators, and restrooms. Good things to know, but we're looking for your professors, so look above that. You see where you are with the "you are here," and you can see what floor you're on, and then simply look at the map and find your professor's office. After you find it once, you'll never forget where it is. Before walking into office hours, you need to come prepared. I once came to ask a professor a question in my first semester about an assignment, and I didn't bring the assignment with me. He immediately told me he couldn't help me and that I needed to come back at a different time. I never made that mistake again. And I don't want you to have to go through that, because that was a good half an hour of my day wasted, and I don't want you to go through that. So before going into the office, write down on a piece of paper what you want to ask your professor, like so. I want to ask about project 1. As an example, always bring all materials that you may need to have a beneficial time in office hours, like I have here. This is my main folder. You did it. You made it. You made it into office hours. Now what? You present to your teacher your questions. Almost every time I've been, it's been a very relaxed atmosphere, but sometimes it's not. Always read the room when you present yourself. Hopefully, your professor is eager to help you. Then hopefully everything you needed help with was completed. Video, I talked about how office hours are extremely beneficial, the process of finding where your office hours are, and how to make office hours as useful as possible. We discussed the steps starting from where to find where your office hours are to how to use office hours to the best of your ability. I hope you have a great rest of your semester and a great time utilizing office hours. Dude, I need help.
Wait, what am I saying?